Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites. You need manage emojis and stickers on the server, or Nitro for personal/global access. Once confirmed, gather your sticker file as PNG, APN, or WEB, and make sure it's under the 512 KB limit. Animated files must be APN. Now open Discord, go to the server settings, select stickers, and click Upload Sticker. This immediate step creates the sticker slot, so you can name and tag it. Once uploaded, you configure the sticker details. Pick a concise name because it becomes the shortcode, and add 1 or 2 tags to improve searchability. Make sure to choose which roles or channels can use the sticker. This controls visibility, then toggle animated if your file supports it. Preview the sticker in chat to check size and background. If cropping or transparency looks off, replace the file and repeat. These detailed middle steps ensure the sticker behaves as expected across devices. You finish by saving settings and testing the sticker from accounts with different roles to confirm availability. Make sure you stay within the server sticker cap. If you hit the limit, remove or replace older stickers. If a sticker doesn't appear, first clear Discord's cache and reload. Next, verify the file type and size, and reconfirm role permissions. If problems persist, re-upload with a simpler file, static PNG, to isolate animated or sizing issues, and then test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.